Guys, this is Jamie Leatherman with Serenity Colors, and today I'm going to be showing you how to paint trees in the background and then how to make them look like they're in the front here. So you can see I already painted a little bit of an example here, and I'm going to be using actually this painting a lot as far as tutorial wise because there's a lot of different techniques in this painting. So here you see that I already have my trunks lined out. Okay, it's kind of has a shape. It looks like it goes up right here in a U, and then it drops back down, and then it comes back up. Anytime that I paint a landscape and I have trees and I'm making it look almost 3D, I always paint the ones in back first. And what I mean by that is, see these trunks that come down low? Those are going to be the ones that are in front. So like these right here, I would paint first. And the reason I do that is because you don't want the back trees overlapping the front trees. It just wouldn't look right. It would look, I don't know, it would just look weird. If you're going for abstract, I totally recommend painting that way. But I'm going for the more natural look. So you can see that I'm starting to paint my trees here in the background. So I'm going to leave this one right here. I'm going to leave that, okay? And I'm going to move to the next one. So this one's back further than this one. So I'm going to paint that one first. So, a little bit about how I'm painting right now. I'm not quite sure the technique you would call it, but I just call it dibble-dabbling. There is no really constant brush stroke. I'm just shaping the tree as I go down. Now you can see that I'm leaving these gaps in between the branches. Those are called sky holes. And it makes a tree look realistic. If you look outside and you look at the trees, most likely not any of the trees you're going to see are going to be completely full top to bottom and have nothing in the background showing, like no sky showing through it. So that's what I'm doing when I leave those gaps. Okay, just continue down. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the one right here in front. I'm going to paint this one, and I'll just extend this higher because let's like make it huge, like it's way in the front here. Load my brush up, and then I'm going to start painting the tree going down. Okay, so now it's going to start overlapping this one here in the back. And you'll see what I mean by making it look like you're looking in the distance as well as you see things in the background. Okay. And we are done. So now I'll bring this back a little bit so you guys can see how that looks. You can see these in the background here, and then you got this one in front. And I just continue along. So what I do is I make sure the ones in the back are done first. So I wouldn't go right next to, I wouldn't paint this next. I would paint this one next because this is in between